Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video you will learn that how to add voltage sensor module to the Proteus. So here you can see the voltage sensor module library. Open it, and here you can see two folders. In the previous videos there were only one option of the library, but now in this you can see library as well as models. So first of all, open the library folder and copy the library file from here. Now go to desktop and click on Proteus software icon. Go to open file location, and now from here go one step back to the Proteus main folder, and here locate the library folder. Open it and paste the library file over here. So I have pasted it here. Now go back, and now from the library folders of the, here you can see the library files of the voltage sensor. So here open this again, and from the model folders open it and copy the model file from here. Copy it. Now go to the desktop Proteus icon, click on it, open file location, and here go back to the main folder of Proteus 7. From here locate the models folder, open it and paste the files over here. So what we have done, so we have copied the model files as well as the library file from the library folder of the voltage sensor and paste it in the Proteus 7 these folders. Now close it, and now open the Proteus 7 software. If you have already opened it, close it and reopen it again, so then it will upload the new libraries. Open it. So from here search for the voltage sensor. So let me search for the voltage sensor. So here you can see the voltage sensor. Click on it, double click it, and now click on OK. So place it here, zoom it to a specific area. So here you can see the positive terminal, and here you can see the ground terminal. So here you will connect the positive terminal of the voltage source, and here the negative terminal of the voltage source. Here you can see the signal pin. You will connect this to the Arduino, and here you can see the plus and minus. So this is the 5-volt pin, and this is the ground pin. So this was the method of how to add voltage sensor module library to the Proteus. The library files are available in the link provided in the description. You can download from there. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Visit my channel for more videos related to it. Thanks for watching.